Okay, hi guys. As you know, I'm in India right now. I'm at the Delhi Mall, and I stumbled upon like this beautiful, beautiful Japanese restaurant. Look at this water they got. It's so pretty. It's called I'll call it the Nikki water. If you know, you know. And then I got my Nicki Minaj tea. Again, if you know, you know. You see the name, if you know, you know. So we gonna try we got veggie gyoza. Let's try it and see what it's giving. I didn't want to try it with that, but yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Let's try it and see what it's giving. I don't want to put the whole thing in my mouth. I'll give this a strong 7. It's good, but it's too doughy. Like I taste the dough too much, like, you know. Although it's still flavorful, but I would expect a little better. I've had better. Then now we have some wonton. Yeah, I'm already halfway through, so no judgment. So let's go with the wonton. Yeah, I'm struggling. I am struggling. I'm a Haitian girl. All I know is spoon, okay? That's not the whole thing. I was doing good until now. I cannot rate it until I try like the whole thing, so bear with me. So yeah, let's see. This is a strong 9. And then we got coming up the hour. We got some ramen, got some mushroom, got some tofu. It's thick. I don't know why the broth is so thick, and the noodle is overcooked. Yeah, noodle is overcooked. The broth is overly too thick.